Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33 and I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. So now, as can you see, by double press the power key button on the right side of my phone, we can activate the camera application, and if you wanna just turn off this feature, we should go into the settings application, then scroll down to the advanced features and then click here to the side key. Just to turn off the by double press quick launch the camera feature, just tap once here on the switcher and you will turn off, as can you see, the quick launch. So that's it, that's how to disable quick launch on our Samsung Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.